What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be opening some more Mystery Grail mystery boxes. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be opening a Funko Pop mystery box. This time we're going to be opening a Mystery Grail mystery box right here. I haven't opened one on the channel in quite a while, so I am overdue for a Mystery Grail Funko Pop mystery box. A little bit about this box before we go ahead and open these. So this was a 1,750 box count. They have some small, medium, and large size grails like always. $15, 19 shipped for me at least. That's what I paid. Lower tier grails, I wouldn't mind having any of them. The cereal ad icons, those would be really good to have in a collection. I think there's like an anti-venom, right? Anti-venom, box lunch exclusive, Green Goblin, Walgreens exclusive. There's a few on here that I would really like to have in the collection. In the premium grill department, probably the Vaporeon I would like to get for Ricky's collection. That'd probably be about it. Well, Winter Soldier, I'd like to have the Winter Soldier. That'd be pretty cool to have in a collection. Mega Grails, I would definitely like to have the Mask Ochaka, the SDCC. What is that? 2015 exclusive, right? With that out of the way, let's go ahead and crack into the first box right here. Let's see what we get. Will we get a Grail? Hopefully we get that Ochaka. Ochaka Uraraka.
If we get that one, that would be really, really freaking sweet. So, here is the first box right here. Alright. Will it be a Grail? Will it be a Grail?
In 3, 2, 1, bam. What is it? It is not a Grail. It's nowhere near a Grail. You get the scratch and win ticket as always right there. Now, like I said, I'm going to value each 100 as $1. So if I get a 200 token scratch points, whatever, I'm going to evaluate that as $2. So we did get the Yoda Valentine's Day stuff. Don't really know. Don't really care about this. There we go. Alright, so the first box we got the Yoda, the Valentine's Day. We got the scratch and win ticket there, and a sucker. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Hopefully we get a Grail this time, because that one was far from a Grail.
I believe. Alright. Let's see, will we get a Grail in this box right here? Hopefully we get a Grail. Or something, I don't know.
In 3, 2, 1, bam. What do we get? It is a Captain Marvel Hot Topic exclusive. I think it is metallic. Yes, she is metallic. That's pretty cool. But it is not a Grail. So, the search continues for a Grail. A Mask Ochaka. The search continues. We got the scratch and win ticket, and we got the pop. Alright, so we got the pop ticket and candy right here. Pop ticket and candy. Let's see what this is worth really quick. Pink Yoda is coming in at $14 on PPG. Also got a 200 token ticket right there, so that brings it up to $16. We were shooting for $19. That's all we paid for the box. So 16 and 19, 16, 17, 18, 19. We lost $3 on this box. Captain Marvel is coming in at a whopping $8. $8 for this Funko Pop. It is the Hot Topic exclusive. I did get 500 tokens on this ticket right here. So I'm going to evaluate this whole thing for $13. So we did not hit our $19 price point where we wanted to be at. So 13 and 16 is 29. So we missed the marker by $9. So we didn't really do too well on these boxes. So there we go. We have these two Funko Pops that come from the Mystery Grail Funko Pop mystery box. I was wanting the Ochaka. I know it was a long shot, but we did not pull the Ochaka. But we did get 2 pops, and we are guaranteed 2 pops, or a pop per box. So they did come through with the pop per box, but we didn't hit any Grails. We didn't even make our money back. So there we go right there. Mystery Grail Funko Pop mystery box. There were 1,750 boxes, so somebody's gotta lose, right? So that is all the time I have for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And on behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.